Are you preparing for an AI or ML job interview and want to master TensorFlow? In this video, we break down the top 10 TensorFlow interview questions and answers you must know, perfect for experienced developers, machine learning engineers, and AI specialists. 1. What is TensorFlow and why is it widely used in AI? Answer. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. It's used for building and deploying ML and deep learning models at scale. Why it's popular. Easy to deploy on various platforms, mobile, cloud, edge devices. Scalable for production using TF serving and TF Lite. Strong community and integration with tools like Keras, TFX, and TensorBoard. 2. Explain the difference between TensorFlow 1.x and 2.x. Answer. Feature. TensorFlow 1.x, TensorFlow 2.x. Eager execution. Disabled by default. Enabled by default. Syntax. Complex uses sessions. Simplified uses Pythonic syntax. Keras integration. Separate API. Fully integrated as default API. Compatibility. Limited backwards compatibility. Better usability and consistency. 3. What are tensors in TensorFlow? Answer. Tensors are the core data structure in TensorFlow multidimensional arrays n-dimensional. They represent data in models and flow through operations ops in computational graphs. Example, a 3x3 matrix is a 2D tensor. 4. What is a computational graph in TensorFlow? Answer. A computational graph is a series of TensorFlow operations arranged into a graph. Each node represents an operation, and each edge is a tensor, data. It allows TensorFlow to optimize and parallelize execution, especially on GPUs/TPUs. 5. How is TensorFlow different from PyTorch? Answer. Feature TensorFlow PyTorch. Execution model static, tf.x. Eager, tf.x. Dynamic, defined by run. Production use strong with TFX and TF serving gaining ground, torch serve. Syntax verbose. Earlier versions, Pythonic and user-friendly. Community Google-backed, large-scale Facebook-backed, research-heavy. 6. What are TensorFlow Datasets, tf.ds? Answer. tf.ds is a collection of ready-to-use datasets, e.g., NIST, SAFAR 10, provided as a TensorFlow input pipeline. It handles downloading, preparing, and loading datasets efficiently using tf.data API. 7. What is the tf.data API and why is it important? Answer. tf.data API is used to build scalable and performant input pipelines. It enables efficient loading of large datasets, parallel preprocessing, batch and shuffle data, integration with GPUs and TPUs. Example. Dataset equals tf.data, dataset.from_tensor_slices x_train, y_train, .shuffle 1000, .batch 32. 8. How do you deploy a TensorFlow model to production? Answer. Common methods. TensorFlow serving. 4. Scalable deployment via REST/gRPC. TensorFlow Lite. For mobile and edge devices. tf.js. For running models in browsers using JavaScript. Saved model format. Standard format for exporting models. 9. How do you handle overfitting in TensorFlow models? Answer. Use dropout layers, tf.keras.layers, dropout rate. Regularization, kernel_regularize in layers. Early stopping callback during training. Data augmentation for image/text inputs. Cross-validation techniques. 10. What are TensorBoard and its key features? Answer. TensorBoard is TensorFlow's visualization toolkit. Key features. Visualize loss and accuracy during training. View computational graphs. Examine histograms, scalars, and distributions. Profile model performance. Usage. TensorBoard_callback equals tf.keras.callbacks.tensorboard, log_dir equals ./logs.